Hi, I live mostly in Bangalore and originally I'm from Calcutta. But I feel a sense of pride having been associated with Northeast India, especially Arunachal Pradesh. It has been a privilege to have been welcomed by the amazing people who inhabit this little known, most beautiful part of India. It has enriched my life and influenced me deeply. It is shameful that there are still so many incidents of racism against the people of Northeast India. This is due to many reasons, but mainly due to the abysmal ignorance which is aggravated by the lack of reporting on Northeast India by the mainstream media, and not much attention given in the schools and textbooks to learning about the history, geography, natural and cultural diversity of the Northeast Indian states. This needs to change. School students across the country need to learn about Northeast India. Adults who are ignorant about such an important part of their country need to hear and learn more about this region. Not just because it is a shame or an embarrassment, but also because our country and our lives are so much poorer if we don't appreciate and embrace the richness of the cultures and people living in the Northeast. It makes me very angry and sad to see the prejudice and racism born out of misplaced arrogance and ignorance. It is incredibly unfortunate as there are so many positive values for us to learn and appreciate from the tribal cultures of most of the Northeast states. Sure, there are societal issues and bad apples everywhere, but the warmth, hospitality, kindness, humor, egalitarianism, honesty, and uprightness one experiences in the Northeast is remarkable. Despite general perceptions, the region fares better than other parts of the country on many human social parameters, such as literacy, gender, and social equity. Literacy in the Northeast is 79%, while the national average is 74%. The highest literacy in India is in two districts of Mizoram, while Mizoram's overall literacy at 92% is on par with Kerala's. The gender gap in literacy rate is less than 10% in states like Nagaland, Mizoram, Tripura, and Meghalaya. In general, women have a greater role in society in most of the states, although there are exceptions. The most balanced child sex ratios are in Mizoram and Meghalaya, and Tawang district in Arunachal has the most even sex ratio in the country. I first started working in Arunachal in 95. I fell in love with the state, not just the forests and wildlife that drew me to the region, but also the people. I was curious and read about the history of many tribes and their rich cultures. I've traveled extensively and worked and lived in the towns, villages, and forests. But I still feel that I don't know enough, so much more to learn. It's hard to express my love for the state and that I feel more at home and safe there compared to most other places. As a woman working and traveling alone who has spent close to 20 years in different parts of the Northeast, this so called violent region is where I feel most safe. I've had the most fun traveling on state buses, line buses, trucks, ferries, meeting curious and amused people who were invariably helpful. The Northeast usually gets bad press for its insurgency problems in some areas, but it's time people came to know how safe it is, for example, for women. Where else can a woman hitch rides on trucks and bikes with no worries? Where else can a woman walk around alone at 3 a.m. during a curfew? Also, the Northeast is not a monolith, and each of the seven states in the region is different. The region has amongst the richest biological and cultural diversity anywhere. It is a very heterogeneous region with diverse communities, cultures, and histories. I've also worked and traveled in Assam and Nagaland a bit, visited Tripura, Meghalaya, and Sikkim briefly. But sadly, despite working in Arunachal for almost 25 years, I've never had the opportunity to visit Mizoram and Manipur. I hope that will change soon. Nowadays, more urban Indians appreciate the food of Northeast India. But there's also so much prejudice and judgment about that among some in the mainstream. People need to learn to respect and appreciate the richness and diversity of our different regions. I've heard that people comment on the appearance of people from Northeast India because of their mongoloid features. It amuses me because I am in awe of the beauty, the elegance, and the charm of people from Northeast India. We could learn a thing or two from them, not just about the richness of society, equity, and culture, but also on how to look good and elegant. Thanks.